Eyewear, a necessity for some, a fashion statement for others. But how did Lenskart transform the way India looks at glasses? Let's dive into the story of this eyewear giant. It all began in 2010, when Peyush Bansal, an IIT graduate and ex-Microsoft employee, envisioned making quality eyewear accessible and affordable for every Indian. Along with Amit Chowdhury and Sameep Kapahi, Peyush launched Lenskart as an online store for prescription glasses. In 2014, Lenskart took a bold step. They opened offline stores. This click-and-mortar strategy made shopping for glasses a truly omni-channel experience. And today, Lenskart has over 2,000 stores worldwide, spanning India, Singapore, the UAE, and beyond. What made Lenskart stand out? Innovation. From their virtual 3D try-on feature to doorstep eye testing services, they blended technology and convenience like never before. With significant investments from giants like SoftBank and Temasek, Lenskart became a unicorn in 2019, now valued at over $4 billion. Its success lies in its customer-first approach and constant innovation. Behind every pair of glasses is a story of quality and affordability. Lenskart's in-house manufacturing ensures premium products at good prices. Lenskart isn't just selling eyewear, it's revolutionizing how people see the world. A true example of how vision, backed by innovation, can lead to success. So, whether it's convenience, quality, or style, Lenskart has got you covered. As Lenskart continues its remarkable growth and expansion, Peyush Bansal stands as an inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs. His Lenskart journey highlights the immense potential of the Indian market and the opportunities waiting to be seized. By adopting innovative strategies and drawing lessons from his experiences, Lenskart has garnered immense success in the market. Thank you for watching.